and we make sure that Hey everyone, Messy Views here, about to do another unboxing, and this is our BM-800 live broadcast equipment. So this equipment right here, which we are about to unbox, this one is used by a lot of online streamers. Perfect. Maybe YouTube or Twitch or game streamers. So they use this equipment to stream and to talk to their audience while they are doing it. So let's see what we have in our box today. So here's what we got from our box right there. So let's start with these manuals. So we have some paperwork right here. These has useful instructions on how to set this up right here. So definitely, if you get this, read the paperwork, all right? We have our cables right here. These are all micro USB cables right there. The 3.5 mm plug on the other side right there. We have two of those right here, and we have one with the USB end right here. So those are our cables right here. So this is our BM-800 microphone right here. Perfect. And this is the filter that comes with it. So you use this like so, you install it on the mic if you wanted to use it. We also have our XLR connector right here, and this one terminates with a 3.5 mm plug. This one is also part of the mic right here, so we install the mic body through there. This prevents the microphone from moving when you are using it. It's like a shock absorber for the mic. So this one is our pop filter right here. This is what we install in front of the mic, so we can also filter unnecessary noise from coming in to our microphone. And these are our accessories for our microphone stand right here. So this one connects to your desk where you wanted to install the mic, and this extends as needed right there. So the mic installs right here, the other end, including the pop filter and shock absorbers according to our choice. These are part of the assembly for the mic right here. And this one is for clamping the microphone stand on our desk. Perfect. I forgot to show you how the pop filter looks like, so I took it out of the package. So there's a cloth right here, and this is the arm, and this is flexible right here. This is the attachment which we would be using to attach it to the microphone stand. So just to show you, our mic should be behind the pop filter like so. And last but definitely not the least, our V8 sound card right here. So in here we connect our, or we terminate, or we connect our cables right here. So there are two connectors for live connections, one connection for instruments if ever you're gonna be using one, the charging port right there, earphone or speaker port right there, headset, condenser mic, and dynamic mic. So for this one, we are using a condenser one, so we would be using this port right here. There are a lot of options which you can use when you are broadcasting or streaming right here. So these are the buttons that we can see right here. This is the power right there. The button for echo and mic levels right there, treble, bass, music level, monitor button right here. So you can adjust all those from here. The V8 live sound card right here, and I believe these are the effects or sound effects which you can use while you are broadcasting live or streaming. So these are the options for those sound clips. So to assemble the microphone arm right here, we need to attach this one to our clamp right here. There's a hole in here in which this attachment should go. So we insert it on our clamp right here. There you go. And we make sure that we tighten the screw right here on the bottom part of the clamp. Now this is where we attach this arm now to our disc. We have to fit this one between our disc. So this is our BM-800 microphone right here. Wow. And we will attach this filter like so. There we go. Now for the microphone attachment, we have two choices right here. One is the shock mount right here. You can see it moving right there. These are rubber-like elements right here, attaching the center of the mount right here. And we have the standard microphone holder right here. So as you can see, this will not fit our BM-800 microphone right here. So clearly we will be using this one. This should fit our shock mount right there. So first, since we are using this shock mount to mount our microphone, this is the other end of the microphone stand. We would attach our shock mount right here on the other end of our microphone stand. And there we go. Okay, so as you have seen, we have attached our microphone stand to our table right here. And this is our microphone holder slash shock absorber attached to our microphone stand. So now we are going to be installing our pop filter right here. So we would be attaching this to our microphone stand. So there you go, guys. We have properly installed our pop filter, microphone, and our microphone shock right there. We have also managed to temporarily attach the microphone stand to our review table right here. And of course, our XLR cable right here goes at the back of our condenser mic right there. And this one goes to our V8 sound card right here. This is the other end of our XLR cable. So the other end of our XLR cable shall be installed on our sound card right here. So it goes to the condenser mic port right there. There, guys. Our microphone is now connected to our V8 sound card. So all we need to do is test if our microphone is working 100%. Okay, so to power up our V8 sound card right here, we need to plug in the charging cable right there on that specific port. So it came with a package, right? So this one, we plug it into the charging port right there. So as you can see, there's a standby red LED on the power button right there. So to turn this on, you just need to long press the power button. And there we go. Our V8 sound card is now working. And of course, to turn it off, you just have to do the same thing. Long press the power button. And now it's off. That's the standby light right there. Okay, so now we connect the other end of our XLR cable to our V8 sound card right here. So we will be using the condenser mic port right there. Our mic is now connected to our V8 sound card. This is how I sound on the current mic that I am using, which is the Boya BY-MM1 right here. So this is how I sound like on my Boya BY-MM1. This is how I sound like our BM-800 condenser microphone. If I move the dials right here for the mic levels, there you go. Can you hear me better? Low, low, low. So let's boost some echo right here. Echo, echo, echo. You hear me right there? Hello, hello. So that's some echo for you guys. Here's some laughter. Here's some applause for me. And some gunshots. So there you go, guys. That's how our V8 sound card and our BM-800 condenser microphone works right here. Okay, so there you go, guys. So as you can see, we can power this sound card with just a power bank right there. And there are a lot of options right here on the V8 sound card which we can use. So there's some echo right there, microphone volume, some useful sounds right here which I've also shown you earlier. As I mentioned on the first part of the video, on the user manual right here, there are a lot of setups which you can use. So right now I'm just using this smartphone and camera to show you how the V8 sound card works. So there are a lot of configurations you can do using the V8 sound card, and it's all stipulated on our user manual right here. That's why on the beginning of the video I mentioned that you should read the user manual that comes along with it. So there, very, very useful. So as you can see, this one is really a handy tool. Maybe you're just live streaming for your Patreon audience or your YouTube channel. This really is a very, very useful and handy tool when you are doing those activities online. So especially on YouTube, you can do live stream using this V8 sound card and our microphone setup right there. And this one, by the way, is a very budget setup. You can purchase this really cheap online. I would leave a link on our video description on where you can purchase this one if ever you are interested to check them out. So there you go, guys. Hope we have shared with you some useful information right here, and hope we have helped you in terms of maybe if you're looking for a budget setup. If ever you wanted to do some live streaming, this is a viable option to start with. So there you go, guys. I hope you liked our content for today. If ever you have any inquiries or questions about this item right here, please just leave a comment down below. Okay? So there you go. Please do not forget to like and comment on our videos. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing to Obner's Reviews. Do not forget to click the notification bell, select all, so you'll get notified when we upload another one of our videos. Also follow us on our social media links right here. That's been it. This is Obner's Reviews, and I will catch you guys on the next one.